Today we're going to look at the query letter swipe file. That is a book that I wrote, and that's me right there holding it. This is how the book looks on Amazon.com. And as you can see, it's the exact words, phrases, and templates to write query letters, get literary agents, and publish books for life. There's a lot into this book. You can look at the sample on Amazon, but we're going to jump into it and into the book itself and look at the table of contents so you can see exactly what's in there. Here we are now inside the book. This is the Kindle version. There's also a print version. And I want to direct your attention over here to the table of contents. We have a quick start guide, how to choose the perfect words and phrases and sentences within this book, what to put in the fill in the blanks. That would be like your story details, your book details, stuff about your credentials and bio. We have additional tips, and then we have the main sections. We have the hook file, which is then it's a whole section. Then it's further broken down into connection hook files, direct introduction hook files, hook statement, mini pitch hook files, question hook files. So you got tons of different hooks you can use in this section. We have, and we're going to look at some specific examples and how to put this together into an exact full query letter by the end of this video. So make sure you watch all the way to the end. We have a pitch switch file, which also swipe file, which also is broken down into character swipe files, compelling phrases, the conflict, the setting, the stakes, the ticking clock, transition words. It covers literally everything. We got a book details swipe file, which is about how to talk about your title, your word count, your genre. We have a bio swipe file, and that's how to talk about your credentials if you have them. If you don't have them, don't worry. You don't even need that section. And then how to say goodbye. We have full query templates here, 5 of them. So now let's take a query template that would be an example from this book and then show you how to turn that into an actual query letter. There's a couple ways to use this book. You can take one of the full query letter templates from the book and then plug your story and bio information into that. You can pick and choose different phrases, words, and sentence templates throughout the different sections in the book and sort of Frankenstein your query letter. One of the things that I like to do now with the advent of AI writers like ChatGPT, which is what I'm in now on your screen, and then also Jasper AI. There'll be links in the description of this video to check it out, along with links to my book. You can plug one of these full query templates, like I have on the screen, into an AI writer, and then you can ask the AI writer to then create a query letter from that template based on your specific author information, your credentials, and your story details. So because I'm just going to do this in a very general sense, I'm just going to say, hey, ChatGPT AI writer, use this template to write a query letter about a thriller novel, and let's see what it gives us. Here's the template once again. Feel free to pause the video, look that over, and then here is what the AI writer gave us. Now, I'm not saying it's a perfect query letter, but it is a great start. And I think you could really submit this with very little changes. But this is the power of an AI writer to create your query letter using the query letter swipe file book. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.